Hello students, in the previous session we have learned about Doberan's triads and Newland's law of octaves. After the rejection of Newland's law of octaves, many scientists continued to search for a pattern that correlated the properties of elements with their atomic masses. The main credit for classifying elements goes to the scientist Dmitry Ivanovich Mendeleev, a Russian chemist. He was the most important contributor to the early development of a periodic table of elements, wherein the elements were arranged on the basis of their fundamental property, the atomic mass, and also on the similarity of chemical properties. Mendeleev's periodic law. Mendeleev gave the first systematic classification of the elements, which was based on well-defined periodic law. He found that when elements are arranged in order of increasing atomic masses, the elements of similar properties occur after certain intervals. On the basis of these observations, he gave a law which is called Mendeleev's periodic law. According to this law, the properties of elements are the periodic functions of their atomic masses. During the time of Mendeleev, 63 elements were discovered. He arranged these 63 elements in order of increasing atomic masses in horizontal rows. During this arrangement, he found that elements having similar properties came in the same column, which he called groups. He used the chemical properties like hydride formation and oxide formation for the classification of the elements, as the elements which have similar general formulae of hydrides and oxides are placed in the same group. The repetition of properties of elements after certain interval is called periodicity in properties. Before we discuss about Mendeleev's periodic table, let us know what is periodic table. Periodic table is a chart of elements or arrangement of all the known elements in such a way that elements having similar properties occur in same column or group. Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev is known as father of periodic table because of his significant contribution in classification of elements. Elements in Mendeleev's periodic table are arranged in columns called groups and rows called periods. There were 7 periods or rows and 8 groups or columns in Mendeleev's periodic table. Nothing was mentioned about the inert gases, as at that time inert gases were not discovered. Mendeleev found that the elements of same group has similarity in the properties. Mendeleev indicated the groups in his periodic table by Roman numerals from 1 to 8. The elements of first to 7th groups are divided into subgroup A and B on the basis of similarity of their properties. In group 8, only 9 elements were present which were arranged in the form of 3 triads. The designing of Mendeleev's periodic table was based on the following 2 properties. One is increasing atomic mass. Second one, elements having similar chemical properties, that is having same formula of hydrides and oxides, should be grouped together. Mendeleev left gaps for the undiscovered elements to make the periodic table systematic. He even predicted the properties of predicted elements in advance, and when these elements were discovered, then it was found that these were very close to the forecasted properties. Mendeleev even named the predicted elements by adding prefix eka. Eka is a Sanskrit numeral which means one or same. Eka boron means first boron comes and then the unknown element. When this unknown element was discovered later on, it was named as scandium. Similarly, other unknown elements were named. Mendeleev placed some elements in wrong order of atomic masses to make sure that the elements having similar chemical properties should come in the same group. For example, he placed cobalt atomic mass 58.9 before nickel, which is having the atomic mass 58.7, as cobalt chemically resembles with rhodium. Table 5.6 shows the undiscovered elements in Mendeleev's periodic table. Serial number, name predicted by Mendeleev, name after discovery. First one, Eka boron, present below boron, name after discovery, scandium. Eka aluminium, present below aluminium, name after discovery, gallium. Eka silicon, present below silicon, after the discovery, germanium. Summary of Mendeleev's periodic table. Mendeleev classified elements in the increasing order of their atomic masses and similarities in their properties. The formulae of the oxides and hydrates formed by the elements was also the basis for the classification of the elements. Mendeleev's periodic table has 6 horizontal rows called periods and 8 vertical rows called groups. The group 1 to 7 had 2 subgroups called A and B. Group 8 had 3 rows of elements. Elements having similar properties were placed in the same groups. There are some spaces left vacant in the table to accommodate the elements to be discovered in future. Merits of Mendeleev's periodic table. Elements were classified on a more fundamental basis of their atomic masses and properties. Spaces were left vacant to accommodate the elements to be discovered in future. It could predict the properties of the elements which helped in the discovery of new elements. The inert gas elements discovered later could be placed in a separate group without disturbing the table. Defects of Mendeleev's periodic table. Some elements are not arranged in the increasing order of their atomic masses. CO, cobalt, is placed before nickel, Ni. Tellurium is placed before iodine, etc. Position of hydrogen is not clear because it shows properties similar to metals as well as nonmetals. The position of isotopes of elements is not clear. Activity 5.1. Looking at its resemblance to alkali metals and the halogen family, try to assign hydrogen a correct position in Mendeleev's periodic table. To which group and period should hydrogen be assigned? The atomic mass of hydrogen is 1 unit, so it should be placed in first group, but it resembles with both alkali metals and halogens. Like alkali metals, it has only 1 electron in its valence shell, so in many reactions it behaves like alkali metals. Similarity of hydrogen with alkali metals can be given by their compounds also. Look at the table. Hydrogen compounds and sodium compounds are given. HCl hydrogen chloride, sodium compound NaCl sodium chloride. Water hydrogen oxide, Na2O sodium oxide. Due to ability to form similar compounds, hydrogen can be placed along with alkali metals. Like halogens, it forms H2 molecule by sharing 1 electron by each hydrogen atom. Look at the diagram. It shows the sharing of electrons between two hydrogen and two chlorine atoms. Hydrogen can form covalent compounds similar to halogens. It can combine with metal to form ionic compound similar to halogen. In this sense, hydrogen can also be placed along with halogens. So, it can be placed in first group with alkali metal or in the seventh group with halogens of Mendeleev's periodic table. Here, the position of hydrogen is anomalous, but it is placed along with alkali metals as it is the first element and has lowest atomic mass. Conclusion. The position of hydrogen is controversial as it can be placed in group of alkali metals or in groups of halogens, but most of the scientists placed it along with alkali metals due to its unique atomic mass and atomic number. Activity 5.2. Consider the isotopes of chlorine Cl35 and Cl37. Would you place them in different slots because their atomic masses are different, or would you place them in the same position because of their chemical properties since they are same? Observation. The basis of classification of elements by Mendeleev was atomic mass. So, these two isotopes should be placed at different positions, but there is no gap left for chlorine 37. That is, the position of isotopes was not explained by Mendeleev. This anomaly was automatically removed in modern periodic table, in which the atomic mass was replaced by atomic number. That is, chemical properties depend upon the atomic number. Hence, the two isotopes of chlorine can be placed in same position of the periodic table. Conclusion. The isotopes will be placed at the same position in modern periodic table as they have same atomic number. Modern periodic table. Henry Moseley in the year 1913 gave a new property of elements, atomic number, and this was adopted as the basis of modern periodic table. Modern periodic law. Properties of elements are a periodic function of their atomic number. Position of elements in modern periodic table. The modern periodic table consists of 18 groups and 7 periods. Elements present in any one group have the same number of valence electrons. Also, the number of shells increases as we go down the group. Elements present in any one period contain the same number of shells, also with increase in atomic number by 1 unit on moving from left to right. The valence cell electron increases by 1 unit. Each period marks a new electronic cell getting filled. Look at the modern periodic table. There are 7 horizontal rows called periods and 18 vertical columns called groups. In the first group, the hydrogen is present, and from lithium to francium in the first group are called alkali metals. Second group elements are alkaline earth metals, and from 3rd to 12 are called transition elements. 13th group is boron family, 14th carbon family, 15th nitrogen family, 16th oxygen family, 17th halogen family, and 18th inert gases or zero group elements or rare gases are present. Below the 7th period, lanthanide series and actinide series are present. In the modern periodic table, elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic numbers in the form of table having 7 horizontal rows of elements called periods and 18 vertical rows of elements called groups, periods. There are 7 periods of elements as follows. First period has 2 elements, hydrogen and helium, H and He, called very short period. Second period has 8 elements from lithium to neon, called short period. Third period has 8 elements sodium to argon, Na to Ar, called short period. Fourth period has 18 elements from K to Kr, potassium to krypton, called long period. Fifth period has 18 elements from rubidium to xenon, called long period. Sixth period has 32 elements cesium to radon, called very long period. Seventh period has 28 elements from francium to the atomic number 114, called incomplete period. 14 elements each of 6th and 7th periods are placed separately at the bottom of the table. The 14 elements of the 6th period from lanthanum to lutetium, that is La to Lu, are called lanthanides, and the 14 elements of the 7th period from Ac, actinide, to lawrencium, Lr, are called actinides. Groups. There are 18 groups of elements divided into 9 main groups. They are 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th and 0 groups. The groups 1 to 7 has 2 subgroups. Groups each called A subgroup and B subgroup. Group 8 has 3 rows of elements and 0 group has 1 row of elements. The A subgroup elements are called normal elements. B subgroup elements are called transition elements. Lanthanides and actinides are called inner transition elements. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Group 2 are called alkaline earth metals. 17th group elements are called halogens. 18th group are called noble gases. In a group, all the elements have the same number of valence electrons. Group 1 elements have 1 valence electron. Group 2 elements have 2 valence electrons. Group 3, 3 valence electrons, etc. In a period, all the elements contain the same number of shells. Properties of elements in periods and groups. First property, valence electrons. In a period, the number of valence electrons increases from 1 to 8 from the left to the right, and the number of shells is the shape. For example, second period elements: lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon. That is Li, Be, B, C, N, O, F and Ne. Atomic number: 3 for lithium, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9 and neon 10 respectively. The electronic configuration of them: 2,1, 2,2, 2,3, 2,4, 2,5, 2,6, 2,7 and 2,8 respectively. The valence electrons: for lithium 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 5, oxygen 6, fluorine 7, neon 8. Shells, number of shells: for lithium 2, beryllium 2, boron 2, similarly for carbon to neon 2. So, the valence shells are same for the period. Second period contains 2 as the shells. In group, The number of valence electrons is the same for all the elements, but the number of shells increases from top to bottom. Example, group 1A, the elements hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Hydrogen has the atomic number 1, so electronic configuration 1. Valence electrons 1, number of cells 1. Lithium atomic number 3, so electronic configuration 2, 1, valence electrons 1, shells 2. Sodium 11 as the atomic number, electronic configuration 2, 8 and 1. Valence electrons 1, shells 3. Potassium atomic number 19, electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 1. Valence electrons 1, shells 4. In a group, the valence electrons are same, but from top to bottom, the number of shells increases by 1 unit. Next property is valency. In a period, the valency of the elements increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases from 4 to 0 from the left to the right. Example, second period elements from lithium to neon, Li, Be, B, C, N, O, F and Ne. Atomic number, lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9, neon 10. The electronic configuration 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7 and 2, 8. Valence electrons are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 respectively. Valency of elements are 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0 respectively. That is for lithium 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4. For nitrogen 3, then for oxygen 2, fluorine 1, neon 0. In a group, the valency is the same for all the elements of the group. For example, group 1A. Elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium. Atomic number of hydrogen 1, so electronic configuration EC1, VE, valence electrons 1, valency 1. Lithium atomic number 3, electronic configuration 2, 1, valence electron 1, so valency 1. Sodium atomic number 11, electronic configuration 2, 8, 1, valence electrons 1, valency 1. Potassium atomic number 19, electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 1, valence electrons 1, valency 1. Next property, atomic size, radius of the atom. In a period, the atomic size of the elements decreases from the left to the right because the nuclear charge, number of protons, increases and so the electrons are pulled closer to the nucleus. Example, second period elements, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. Atomic number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 respectively. The electronic configuration of these elements are 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7 and 2, 8. Number of protons for lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6, nitrogen 7, oxygen 8, fluorine 9 and neon 10. Atomic size decreases from left to right. In a group, the atomic size of the elements increases from top to bottom because the number of shells increases and the distance between the nucleus and the shells also increases. Group 1A, The elements are hydrogen, lithium, sodium and potassium. Atomic number of hydrogen 1, electronic configuration 1, valence is electron 1, shells 1. Lithium 3, electronic configuration 2, 1, valence is cell 1, shells 2. Sodium, atomic number 11, electronic configuration 2, 8, 1, valence cell, that is shells 3, valence electrons are 1. Potassium, atomic number 19, electronic configuration 2, 8, 8, 1, the valence electrons 1, shells 4. Here the atomic size increases. See the trends in atomic radius. In the first group, the atomic radius from top to bottom or in the group increases 0.37, then 1.52, 1.86, 2.31, 2.44 and 2.62 respectively. From left to right, that is in a period, the atomic radius decreases. Lithium 1.52, beryllium 1.11, boron 0.88, carbon 0.77, nitrogen 0.70, then oxygen 0.66, then fluorine 0.64, and last group has the neon has the atomic radius 0.70. Here from left to right, the atomic radius decreases. Similarly in all the periods, that is in periods from left to right, atomic radius decreases, but in a group, that is from top to bottom, the atomic radius increases. Metallic property, electropositive nature. In a period, the metallic property of the elements decreases from the left to the right. Example, third period, elements Na, Mg, Al, Si, Pe, S, Cl, Ar, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Left hand side, Na, Mg, Al are metals, then Si metalloid, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, non-metals, argon, rare gas. In a group, the metallic property of the elements increases from the top to the bottom. Example, 6A group elements carbon, silicon, germanium, tin, lead. C, Si, Ge, Sn and Bb are the symbols respectively. Carbon is a non-metal, silicon is a metalloid, germanium metalloid, then tin and lead metal. So the metallic property increases down the group or from the top to the bottom. Non-metallic property, electronegative nature. In a period, the non-metallic property of the elements increases from the left to right. Example, third period, the elements are sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine and argon. Na, Mg, Al are metals, silicon, Si metalloid, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, non-metals, Ar, argon, rare gases. In a group, the non-metallic property of the elements decreases from the top to bottom. Example, 6th A group, elements are carbon, silicon, germanium, tin and lead. Non-metal, carbon, silicon metalloid, similarly the germanium metalloid, tin, Sn metal, lead is metal. So, non-metallic property decreases from the top to bottom or in a group. Trends in periods. Period. Horizontal rows of element in a periodic table are called periods. Trends. First one, valence electron. From left to right, the number of valence electron increases. Second, atomic number. From left to right, there is a consecutive atomic number, valency. From left to right, valency increases from 1 to 4 and then decreases to 0. Atomic size decreases from left to right. Metallic character decreases from left to right. Chemical reactivity from left to right decreases then increases. Nature of oxides from left to right, basic character decreases and then acidic character increases. Trends in groups. Group vertical columns in periodic table is known as groups. Trends. Valence electron have same number of valence electron. Valency. Elements in a group have same valency. Atomic size increases from up to down, that is top to bottom. Metallic character, on going down, metallic character increases. Chemical reactivity, on going down, chemical reactivity of metal increases, but chemical reactivity of non-metal decreases. Nature of oxides, all elements in group has same nature of oxides.